Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya Net Foodish Ordar mapi Minwan ramangi hakerdob yeng jongpi
Menteri Rangba Kadzilla Konrad ke Sangma Ïakynduh Union Minister ubakmi Ïakynduh Yadari Rajnath Singh New Delhi ban kerpa di ban kemi benya kajing terwa jang sarkar jilla ban Jaka naga Jaka jong sipai naga benta kajing penkendria ikilai spa sapu arli Longïing them yo molong Ïakynduh lapentip du sembut Menteri Rangba ubakmi Ïakynduh penroisar ubasnya bhalang dhar hakajing keren bekela pathai kubor hakaba uloong bo Menteri Rangba ula benle Delhi la shai la hisngi ban Ïakynduh Menteri Ïakynduh Yadari ke sarkar India.
You have to wait for some time, even maybe tomorrow or day after meeting the defense minister in related with this subject only. Let us wait for some time. Sure about the land, defense land, no? So maybe tomorrow day after. I think so in Delhi. CM is to Delhi, so he's planning to meet the defense minister about the defense land, which we have been discussing earlier. So, and at the same time, so we are trying to solve it very positively. So there is slight discussion is this. So we'll wait for some time, then we'll take a final call. Blueprint is always there, no problem. But if there is a better option, we may go for better option. No. If the defense gives us the land, we'll get free of cost. Simple as that. Why should we learn from government? If they give it well and good, that is we have to. But if not, what to do? We have to go ask by our local. We are yet to identify. So, but they just say that there is a land, so we are yet to know the exact location also. Maybe they want to meet us. That's why I'm seeking appointment with the defense minister. Let us see what is the outcome of the meeting. We have to share with them, no? You have to share with them together. Maybe they may say yes, they may say no. We will discuss again. What's the problem? There is no issue on that. They didn't reject it. They said, okay, we offered them 3-4 places. Okay, we'll see, we'll discuss between the member with their side also.